Hi everyone, today I am going to do some tracing. So my plan is go to Google. So this is where I got my picture of Halle Berry the other day, so I don't need that anymore. There she is. Today I am planning on doing Homer Simpson. So just finding a picture of Homer. Here we go. This one looks perfect. Okay, so I'm just going to hold my finger down, save the image, and I'm going to go down to the bottom of my screen and get my Procreate app and get my canvas. Here we are. Right, so I'm just checking that my layer 1 is completely free, and I'm going to add insert photo. So here I am. Right. So I'm just pinching with 2 fingers and pushing out just to get it where I want it. Okay. So when I'm happy with that, I'll just hit the arrow key in the top, and that's it. So go to the layer 1, and for me, I think I'll reduce this down to 40%. He's still very, very clear. Okay, now let's grab my pencil, my Apple Pencil, or Apple Pencil 2, and I'm going to pick inking. So I might stick with the virtual pen and just see how effective that is. So what I want to do now is I want to open up a new layer. Okay, so the layer 1 is the one that I've reduced the opacity down to 40%. The one on top is still 100%, which means that the pen will come across really clear. So here's the example. Okay, that's on layer 2. And now on layer 1, where the opacity is at 40%, you can see the difference there. So I'll just double tap the screen with my 2 fingers just to get rid of that. Go back to my layer 2, which had briefly vanished, and I'm just going to pick black, nice and simple. Okay, and I'm going to make the size a bit larger. Yeah, how's that? Might be a bit too big. Double tap that, might bring that down a little bit more. Okay, there. Okay, so this is just a quick one, just to show you what I do when I'm tracing. Alright, so I'm just going to push out with 2 fingers just to bring it in, so I've got a really clear picture, and then that's it, tracing. So I just follow the line. Oh, got it set to rubber. Numpty. Now I just draw a line. What's a numpty? Here we go. And don't worry. Ooh, wobbly hand. What I'll do is I will forward through all of this, so you don't have to watch how boring it is watching me do this. I might change this. Streamline, I've got it turned off, hence why my lines are dreadful. I think this might improve my line work here. Line work is not something I'm particularly good at. So I do apologise if you... Okay, so when you want to fill something in, you just put your pen down onto the black dot and you can just bring it all the way down and pop it in where you want it to go. It's one of the nice features I find of Procreate. So if you leave the pen there, it creates a nice round. So it's going around. Oh, gone a bit off. Do that again. Double tap with 2 fingers. Bring it all the way around up to here. Leave the pen for a second and it will curve it. Okay, so that's just a nice feature. I'll do that just around his lip a bit more so it's not so bad. When you're doing line work, it does help to go quite quick. The slower you do it, the more likely you are to have lumps and bumps in your line work. Okay, so now I'm just going to quickly do the saliva. Do that in a kind of bluish. So I'll do a dark blue to start with. Zoom in a bit. Oop. That will happen if you leave your pen on the screen for too long. Right, so I've done that, so now I can put my pen onto the colour and drag the colour over, and there you go. Doesn't look very good. But what I'll do is I'll add a new bit here, and I'll bring the opacity down to about 50%, and then I can just do that. See, and I just kind of implies a bit more. If I hold it down with my finger just there, I can get that. What adds to it is you can put a slightly darker tone. Just make the brush slightly smaller. That there is a kind of shadow. I like that. Obviously, you can take as much time as you like with this. I'll just do this drip of slob here. There we go. And I'll put a highlight of that there. Anyway, so after you've done all that, then you can turn off your bottom layer, get rid of it, and that's it. You can do whatever you want. Looks like I need to do like a repair job, or I've missed a piece here. That's not a problem. The hard work's been done. Ooh. Okay. Just fix that. Okay, so let me know what you think in the comments below, and if you'd like to see more of this kind of stuff or anything really, just give me some clues and see if I can help you out. Remember to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and have a nice day. Bye.